This is the DD9005 wireless camera hunter from SpyGadgets.com. At $399, this is an advanced DIY detector. This camera finder covers a range from 900 MHz to 6 GHz, the most common wireless camera frequencies. This camera finder will search for hidden video camera signals and show you the video image that the camera is sending out. Since you see what the camera sees, you can find unwanted spy cameras quickly. The detector will also find audio signals without video. You will have no image, but the audio from a covert device will lead you to it. This unit will start to search automatically when turned on and has a lock feature to hold a frequency when you find a camera signal. The DD9005 wireless camera hunter from SpyGadgets.com.